Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Tech. Microsoft released this week a new build version 22557. In this video we're gonna see the most important improvements and features that this new build version will involve. There will be a lot of new features for this build version. One of them is to create folders in the pinned apps area of Start. So now you can add more apps to a folder, rearrange apps within a folder, and remove apps from a folder. They are introducing Do Not Disturb and Focus feature. With this feature, it will make it easy to silence in notifications. Microsoft is stating that Focus is a new experience that enables everyone to stay in the moment and minimize distractions on their PC. This is how it will appear when you will turn on Do Not Disturb. And also you can personalize Do Not Disturb in settings. They are improving quick access in File Explorer. They are rolling out an update to File Explorer Quick Access View. First, Pin to Quick Access support has been extended from only supporting folders to now also supporting files. Pinned files are shown in a new section above recent files in Quick Access. So now we can pin also files. Also, we can see the OneDrive storage on the File Explorer, like you can see over this picture here. This is how it will be looking now, the OneDrive. This version will involve more sustainable power settings and recommendation. The default values for sleep and screen off have been updated to reduce energy consumption and carbon emissions when PCs are idle. They will also provide power-saving recommendations to help reduce carbon emissions to those with sleep and screen off set to never. This is how it will be looked, power and battery settings after this release. They have also updated the design of Task Manager to match the new Windows 11 design principles. As you can see, this is how it will be now. Task Manager on Windows 11. In this case, is on dark theme. One of the biggest improvements of this release, in my idea, is that drag and drop is now supported on Windows 11's taskbar. Quickly drag and drop files between app windows by hovering over apps in the taskbar to bring their windows to the foreground. You can customize your taskbar with your favorite apps just by dragging and drop over the taskbar to pin them. A very interesting feature of this update will be that charging indicator will be looked like this now. File Explorer will show previews of items within folders. So like you can see, it will be shown like this, the Windows Explorer. Now it will be easier to move your cursor on Windows between monitors by letting your mouse jump over areas where it would previously get stuck. They have done some work to generally improve results when searching in settings, including more relevant results, and now have some flexibility for returning result in the case when the search terms have common typos. Another thing that will be changed with this edition is that during the setup of the device for Windows 11 Pro, you will need to have internet connection and it will be required a Microsoft account in order to set up your Windows 11 Pro edition. So basically it looks like without a Microsoft account, you cannot set up a Windows 11 Pro edition in the future. Dragging a file across the taskbar on secondary monitors should no longer cause an Explorer.exe crash. There are a lot of other fixes which involve input switcher, memory leak, Explorer.exe, etc. etc. But those were the most important fixes and improvements that this new version will introduce. I'll put the link on the description below so you can see the whole list of the new features and improvements that this new version will bring. But do not forget to subscribe because soon I'm gonna make a hands-on video regarding these new features and improvements. So basically that's all that I wanted to show to you guys. Hopefully you like this video and See you on the next video. Thank you.